Okay guys, you know this is my last day of Genfield 3 years because I'm about to move out now. I'm gonna go to another country with my friends and my family. I'm sorry about that guys because I have to leave my phone here. This isn't mine because I was borrowing it. So when I was in Genfield 3 years, I saw a purple phone, yeah, in the bathroom. I just picked it up and some just logged in YouTube. That's why I log in my real account, Trevor B12. But since I'm moving out, it's my last day, and I'm gonna move out tomorrow, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what I did, cause my parents was so happy to my subject, cause I learned harder. But that's it for all. Bye, guys. Sorry for moving out. Bye.